Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider subscribing and joining the Crypto ZX army. But now let's get right in today's content. Today I will be focusing on Telcoin. A lot of requests coming along for Telcoin, so that's exactly what I'm bringing you guys. But before I begin, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall price of Telcoin right now, it is currently trading at that 0.003 cents mark. It's up 5.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 5.7% in Bitcoin and 5.5% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that top 151 spots. That's definitely something nice to note. Market cap is currently sitting at $202.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 2.5 million. If we do look at the bigger picture, as you guys can see over the last 30 days, what a nice move for Telcoin. It's up 90.2%. That's a very, very impressive move. And look what's happening over the last 14 days, 72% gain. So definitely something nice happening within the price. Obviously, if we are looking at the bigger picture, it is down quite a bit from all-time highs. But again, it's not only Telcoin that's down, it's the entire market. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what are some next price targets we should be looking at and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But before I jump into that, let's look at this. So Telcoin posted this. Nice way to close out the month, Telfam. Also, please note our Twitter handle is now simply Telcoin. So, you guys want to make sure if you ever want to basically connect with Telcoin, you want to be only following Telcoin at Telcoin, not anything else, because there's a lot of scams going on. And now that Twitter has officially announced that, anyone can purchase this blue verified symbol, guess what? More and more, people that are going to be imposters. So you guys want to be very careful. And a Polygon Daily posted this most bullish Polygon projects on the social media. And you guys can see Telcoin was number one. So that's definitely something nice to note. Excuse me. And now let's get right into the price and see what exactly is happening on with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right away, this again is the daily time frame. If you're new to my channel, you already know what I do. But if this is your first coming onto my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to join the Crypto ZX army. I like showing my viewers, the daily time frame. Really gives us a better understanding as to the price history. What has been happening with the price over the past few months and where is it currently sitting. So you guys can see currently sitting at that 0.003 cents mark. And it saw an all-time high just last year on May. It was about that 6.5 cents mark. And since then, it has retraced about 96%. So without a doubt, this is no secret at this point that Telcoin has seen quite a big of a retracement since all-time highs. But now let's look a little closer, see what's going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So when we're looking at the closer picture, it doesn't look that bad. And that's why I always look at two time frames to really give us a better understanding as to what has been happening. So Telcoin hit a yearly low around that 0.00125 cents mark. And if you picked up some Telcoin around that range, you are already up since then 136%. So that might have been a sweet spot to be picking up some Telcoin. Remember, we did see a massive pullback on November 9th after that massive dump within the price of Bitcoin due to the FTX collapse, but we never really saw Telcoin kind of retest its yearly low. So that is something definitely nice and bullish to point out for you guys. But right now, if we are looking at the price, you guys can see a nice upward trend is forming for the price of Telcoin. Excuse me, guys, please excuse if I do cough. I'm just kind of not feeling too well. But you guys can see definitely an upwards trajectory is forming. And not only that, before the FTX collapse, the price was at that 2.5 cents mark, and it has set a higher high. And you guys can see last time the price was around these levels was back on May. So we're retesting some May prices. Is the bottom in now? We can clearly see Telcoin has been outperforming the entire crypto space in the immediate short term. And if, like I said, if you bought just a few days, like a few weeks ago, you're already up about whoa, Like, once again, I really hope you guys are bearing with me on here. Like, I'm just under the weather, but I really wanted to make this update for you guys. But you guys can see, basically what I'm trying to say is, if you were picking up some Telcoin around this October 27th mark, accumulating around here, you're up about 180%. So that's definitely something nice to point out for Telcoin right now. And my apologies, the yearly low was at the 0.001 cents mark. But anyways, we're clearly seeing a breakout happen right now. But could we retest this major level of resistance at that 0.00456 cents mark? And you guys can see this is a major level of resistance. The last time the price was above here was May 5th. And right now, what I'm seeing, I can definitely see that happen. And right now, we are currently about 51% away from that price level. And I can definitely see that happening because the overall momentum on Telcoin right now is very bullish. And this is what I try to tell you guys. If you have done your due diligence and research and you really do believe in Telcoin, let's say you've done your due diligence and you really do believe Telcoin is the project for you, then you want to be picking up around these prices rather than picking it up when it has pumped up so much. And also, we always want to put our emotions aside. Meaning, when we're seeing these life-changing gains being made, you want to put your emotions aside because, emotions tend to take the best of us. And when that happens, we tend to make decisions, the price is going to keep going up forever, XYZ, but that's not the case, guys. That's definitely not the case. So always play with an exit strategy when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. And right now, I gotta admit, Telcoin is looking extremely bullish as far as the immediate short term is concerned. And like I said, this target is definitely open. But as I say that, look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin still needs to be back into 78.6. And until then, I'm not convinced this upward, trend that we're forming. I'm not, excited whatsoever in terms of this. But so far, so good. Telcoin community is very strong. And one thing I like about this project is it has a working product. This project is not just a regular meme coin or speculative coin. This project, Telcoin, it's been in the markets for quite some time. I've been hearing about it for quite some time, and I know a little bit about it. And I know this project has a working product. And, in third world countries, these are the projects that are going to innovate and show the world the power of blockchain, how blockchain can change the world, and not only that, change people's lives. And, more power to them. And I really hope, Telcoin does well for the viewers, especially the investors. But let me know if you guys know something about Telcoin. Like I said, I'm not really familiar as to what is happening. But overall, if we're looking at the technicals, it's looking very, very nice. And I wanted to share that with you guys. But also let me know if you guys want me to make Telcoin videos on a daily basis. Smash that like button. Do not forget to do that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.